Let's now explore how we can modify the pin and pad connection styles of our polygon pores and planes. Controlling the connection style is crucial for defining how pads and vias connect with polygons or power planes in the PCB design. Oftentimes, through-hole component pads require a relief connect or thermal tie to surrounding plane shapes to help ensure solderability of the parts. Alternatively, in high-current applications, these relief connects can act as bottlenecks for current flow, at which point we would want the through-hole or via to directly connect to nearby plane shapes. Let's explore how we can configure this in Altium Designer. For polygons, we can configure connection styles, such as relief connect or direct connect, by adjusting rules under the Polygon Connect Style category in the Design Rules menu. Similarly, for power planes, connection styles and clearances can be tailored by editing rules in the Power Plane Connect Style section, ensuring compliance with design requirements while optimizing performance. Vias and through-hole pads can be connected to a polygon with either a relief connect or direct connect connection style. If we look at the existing design, the through-hole pads of this header are connected with a relief connect style. We can push F5 to remove net color highlighting to make this easier to see. Now, let's change the connections from relief connect 90 degrees to 45 degrees. To do this, we'll go to Design, Rules. Under the Plane Rule category, we select Polygon Connect Style, and then select the Polygon Connect rule. We will select the Advanced mode, and for through-hole pads, set the rotation to 45 degrees. Then, let's set our vias to be directly connected. Let's repore all of our polygons by selecting Tools, Polygon Pores, Repore All. Note that the pads and vias are now connected to the polygon as specified in the design rules. We can also observe the changes within 3D mode, pressing Shift-S to go into single-layer view mode. Now, let's explore how to control the connection style of pads and vias for power planes. Let's make plane layer 5V our active layer. We must set up the rules for our power plane connection styles. For this, we will go to Design, Rules, then navigate to the Plane section. Let's open the rule for Power Plane Connect Style, and then open the default Plane Connect rule. Let's use the simple constraint style with a relief connect. We will use 4 conductors with a width and air gap, both set to 10 mils. Our expansion will be 20 mils. Click OK to close the window. We can see now that the pads connected to 5V on this header are connected with a relief connect style to the power plane as set in our rules. We can also observe the changes within 3D mode, pressing Shift-S to go into single-layer view mode and selecting the 5V layer. We have now explored how to modify the connection style of polygons and planes.